New arrival. This is my 1969 Chevrolet Nova. This paint job is, you can see it for yourself. Look at that. Really, any show spent a lot of money on this paint job. Look at that reflection. You can shave in the paint. There I am. Come on. This thing is just incredible. Gorgeous black paint job all around. Beautiful. Look at the chrome, the stainless. Look at the reflection. No rust bubbling, no rust anywhere. Cowl induction hood. 350 small block V8. Upgraded headers. Aluminum intake. Holley 4-barrel carb under the air cleaner. Look at the power booster, brand new, proportion valves, power steering. All the front end has been rebuilt, as you can see there in the bushings. Fresh tune-up chrome alternator. Engine was pulled out, painted, put back in. MSD ignition system. New wires are set up. Brand new battery as of today. No overheating with the aluminum radiator. And in a moment here, we're gonna hear this thing and go for a drive. Here we're gonna pop the trunk. Look at that reflection. Yeah, that's the paint reflection. Really, really nice. Solid trunk, no rust. Check out the interior. Nice door panels, beautiful lips. All the weather stripping all around has been replaced. Door sill plates are gorgeous, like new, black buckets. Nice door jambs. Check out this side here. Factory SS steering wheel. Aftermarket tack showing 20,649. Very clear lens on the speedometer there. There's all your heat controls and your old school Kenwood. B&M floor shifter, upgraded gauges right in front of the shifter. Beautiful dash pad. Gorgeous headliner. Back seat has been redone. 6x9s in the package tray. Ready to go. All right, let's give this baby a start. Lights are on right now. I will get that taken care of before the car ships. Just wanted to do a quick video for everybody. The car just came in today. This is a private sale as well. Okay, here we're gonna start getting on the road, going for a test drive. Turn signals all work, wipers work. Shifts excellent. Just remember, the horn is not working, but everything else does. Man, this thing's got some power. This ain't no joke. This ain't no joke here. It handles excellent. All the front end has been rebuilt. Very nice temperament on this motor. It's a turbo 350 with a 350 engine. Look at the steady RPMs. Great oil pressure, great temp, no overheating issues. Those tires chirp, baby. Back here at the shop, just wanted to give you an overlook. One fabulous black paint job. This body is straight. It's beautiful. You don't have to do a damn thing to this car, and she's ready to roll. If you need financing, you can go to lightstream.com. Check out their rates. They're super low, no money down, available, approval in 15 minutes. Check it out, lightstream.com. If you need me to deliver the car, send me your zip code. You can text me to 847-848-1850. Text me your zip code or call me, text me with any questions. Full disclosure, I will be more than happy to answer everything for you. 1969 Chevrolet Nova. It's not a real SS, so keep that in mind, and my price does reflect that. This is a car ready to go to car shows, drive across the country. It's got a 350 V8, turbo 350 automatic, power steering, power front disc, traction bars, brand new 10-bolt posi rear end with the 323 gear, perfect for highway miles. Again, my number's area code 847-848-1850. Talk to you soon.